Rolling na ba dali? Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video guys is gagawa naman ito ng panibagong tutorial. At sa tutorial na ito, hindi ako gagawa ng full face tutorial for 2021. Ngayon 2021, madami ako naka-line up na contents na i-upload para sa inyo. At for today's video guys, ang ingay-ingay ng bata sa baba, you know. So, yan, for today's video guys, is gagawa tayo ng panabagang video, at sa video ito is, ang gagawin natin is, as you can see sa title below, ang gagawin natin is, eyeshadow tutorial for beginners. So, nakikita nyo naman ang ating pangmalakas ang eyeshadow dito guys, ayan. Yan ang gagawin natin for today. Sobrang easy lang nito, beginner friendly to. Then, gagawin lang natin siya dito sa other side. So, yun, kung bago pa sa akin channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified to my channel every time I upload a new and fresh video. So guys, let's get started. So yan guys, let's start our So first, kailangan natin ng concealer. I will using the Land in the shade number 1, the lightest one, and put it to our lids para mas lumapit yung shadow na ilalagay natin sa mata, at para mas vibrant yung color niya. At next is yan, blend lang natin. Next is kukuha ako ng tape, any tape, ducting tape, masking tape, kahit anong tape na nasa bahay nyo, and then ilagay nyo lang siya para magkaroon tayo ng cat eye look. Then yan guys, kuha tayong ganyang brush, and kunin natin yung chocolate nail palette. Ayan yung chocolate nail palette. Then after that, kunin natin itong shade na yun, and then ilagay natin siya sa ating lids ng ganyan. I-circle in a circular motion. Then after that, kunin natin yung shade, and then a circular motion din natin siya. Yan, circular motion para walang harsh edges na magaganap. At after that, kuha lang ganyang brush, and then dip nyo siya sa kulay red na shadow. Then ilagay lang natin siya sa outer part ng pawing line para mas ma-emphasize yung pagka-cat eye na gagawin natin. Then yan, i-blend lang natin siya together with the browns. Then kuha tayo ng ganung brush, then i-blend natin sila together para hindi mukhang espasol or pinaghalong espasol at kalamay, ganon. Then kuha lang tayo ng flat brush. Then kuha tayo ng shimmer gold na shimmer. And then after that is yan, ilagay natin sa ating eyes ng ganyan, sa may hindi ko na kailangan mag-cut crease kasi this is for beginner. Pero if you know how to cut crease, go and do cut crease para mas intense. Then kunin lang ulit natin yung brush na ginamit natin for the red. Then gamitin natin siya dun sa may bandang gitna para mag-blend sila together at walang harsh edges na magaganap. At after that, ayan na ang ating eye look. Then after that, mag-wing liner na tayo. Gamit ko dyan is the Lamela Wing Line 24 karat. Then after that, yan, mag-wing line ka lang dyan para mas singkit-singkitan ang labanan natin dyan, girl. At para mas ma-achieve natin yung cat eye na gusto natin ma-achieve. After that is maglalagay tayo ng falsies. At yan yung falsies. Then habang pinapatayo natin yung falsies, kuha lang tayo ng ganyang brush. Then kunin ulit natin siya, i-dip natin siya sa red na kulay. Then ilagay natin siya dun sa may baba para hindi ganun tayo kasingkit tingnan, para lumaki-laki at maging dull eye ng konti yung ating mata. Then yan, that is the final look. Nakapag lashes na ako, then yan. So yan na guys. For today's video guys, and if you like this video, make sure to like, So Alright guys, that is it for today's video, and if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified to my channel whenever I upload a new and fresh video. So again, my name is Khiane Abello, also known as Brianna Cassandra West, saying that makeup is a one size fits all.